Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is EFERE. In today's video I want to show you how I use beef to make my stew. So as you can see, I have beef already on my pot. Right now I'm adding onion to my pot and I'm adding pepper. So this is what I'm going to be showing you. So right now I'm going to add my nut cube. So now I'm going to add my curry. As you can see, this is an Indian curry. I don't have the Nigerian curry. So you can use curry, any type of curry of your choice. So I'm adding the curry now. So right now I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to check it now. So I'm going to add water to make it cook. So I'm going to add salt to taste. So right now I'm going to check how the meat is cooking. So I'm going to take off the meat from my pot so that we can start making the stew. So right now I'm going to add oil into my pot, as you can see. So now I will add onion. So right now I'm going to add my tomato paste. So we're only using tomato paste on this stew. There is no fresh tomato. So right now we're going to check how the stew is cooking. So now I'm going to add my remaining pepper. So right now I'm going to add my Indian curry. So right now I'm going to add my stock to loosen the tomato. I'm going to transfer to make it cook. So I'm going to check how the stew is cooking now. So I'm going to add extra nut cube because the one I added before is not enough.